Good morning, first graders. Today we are going to talk about the days of the week to get started. What day is it today? Today is Tuesday. Can you say that? Today is Tuesday. Yesterday was Monday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. Today is September 1st, 2020. So here's our calendar. Today is Tuesday, September 1st. Yesterday was Monday, August 31st. And tomorrow will be Wednesday, September 2nd. All right. We are going to get started by reading this. Sam and Tab are friends. Sam and Tab like to play ball in the park. What will Sam and Tab see and do? What do you think Sam and Tab will see and do? We discussed earlier that they might see a playground, they might see a ball because they're playing ball. All right, we're going to see the word, say the word, and spell the word. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. Go. Go. We will go to the movies this weekend. Say the word again after me. Go. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud. G-O says go. Good job. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. Is. Is. That bird is a robin. Say the word again after me. Is. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud. I-S says is. Like. Say the word. Good. Like. I like to eat fruit for breakfast. Say the word again after me. Like. Look at the letters in the word. L-I-K-E spells like. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. See. Good. See. I can see better with my new glasses. Say the word again after me. See. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. The lake is up in the mountains. Say the word again after me. This. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. This is the one I want. Say the word again after me. This. Look at the letters in the word. T-H-I-S says this. Two. Repeat the word after me. Two. Two. Let's go to the park after school. Say the word again after me. Two. Look at the letters in the word. Spell it out loud. T-O says two. We both take swimming lessons. Say the word again after me. We. Look at the letters in the word. W-E says we. We are going to read the words we learned together. We're going to start with go. Go is like, see, this, to, we. Let's play with the sounds in words. Listening to the sounds in words can help you to read and write words. Today you are going to listen for the words I say in chunks or parts. I will say a picture name in two chunks. First I will say the beginning, then I will say the rest of the word. You will blend the beginning chunk with the rest of the word to say the word. For example, look at number 1. Map. Map. Let's try number 2. Tub. What's the whole word? Tub. When I put my hands together like this, I want you to say the whole word. Here we go. Number 3. Pen. Pen. Number 4. Cat. Cat. Number 5. Mat. Mat. Number 6. Hat. Hat. Number 7. It. Mitt. Good job. Now we are going to listen to some longer words. We can break longer words into parts that are called syllables. For each syllable in a word, we will clap 1 time. Look at the picture of a rainbow. Listen as I say this word. Rainbow. Rainbow. The first part is rain. The second part is bow. The syllables in rainbow are rain and bow. So we're going to say the whole word, then break it apart into syllables. Flowers. 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 Here we have night light. Night light. Night light. Slippers. 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 Elephant. Elephant. How many syllables in elephant? Good. Hammer. Hammer. How many syllables? All right, we're going to move on and read our story for today. Our story for today is Pete the Cat Rockin' in My School Shoes. Let me get our story for today ready for us. What do you think the story Pete the Cat Rockin' in My School Shoes will be about? Very good. It might be about Pete going to school. Well, that's loading. We can look at it right here. Here we go. Pete the Cat, Rocking in My School Shoes by Eric Litwin. Pete the Cat, Rocking in My School Shoes. There he is. Here comes Pete, strolling down the street, rocking in red shoes on his 4 furry feet. Pete is going to school, and he sings this song. I'm rocking in my school shoes. I'm rocking in my school shoes. I'm rocking in my school shoes. Pete is sitting at his desk when his teacher says, "Come on, Pete." Down that hall to a room with books on every wall. Where is Pete going? The library. Pete has never been to the library before. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He finds his favorite book and sings his song. I'm reading in my school shoes. I'm reading in my school shoes. I'm reading in my school shoes. Check out Pete. He's ready to eat in a big noisy room with tables and seats. Where is Pete? The lunchroom. It can be loud and busy in the lunchroom. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He sits down with his friends and sings his song. I'm eating in my school shoes. I'm eating in my school shoes. Can you sing it with me? I'm eating in my school shoes. Pete and his friends are playing outside on a green, grassy field with swings and tall slides. Where is Pete? The playground. Kids are running in every direction. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He slides and swings and sings his song. I'm playing in my school shoes. I'm playing in my school shoes. I'm playing in my school shoes. All day long, Pete sings his songs. I'm singing in my school shoes. I'm painting in my school shoes. I'm adding in my school shoes. I'm writing in my school shoes. When school is done, Pete rides the bus home. Pete's mom asks him, "What did you do at school today?" I was rocking in my school shoes. I was rocking in my school shoes. I was rocking in my school shoes. And I will do it again tomorrow. Because it's all good. There he is. All right, so here's that book that we read, Pete the Cat, Rockin' in My School Shoes. And together in class, we made today a list of all the different things that Pete did. So I'm going to put up that list and you can copy it down. You're going to have to hit pause and copy the list into your journal. So here are some of the different things that Pete did we wrote today in our live session. We wrote that Pete was eating in his school shoes, he was painting in his school shoes, he was reading in his school shoes, he was playing in his school shoes, he was singing in his school shoes, and he was adding in his school shoes. So go ahead, hit pause, and you can write this list down in your journal. Then you can hit play again once you have it written down. Excellent. After that, we turn to a new page and we wrote, I am rocking in my school shoes. And then we drew a picture of ourselves rocking in our school shoes. So we wrote the sentence, I am rocking in my school shoes. Then we took out our journals and we drew a picture of ourselves rocking in our school shoes. So here's my picture that I made. First, I wrote the sentence, I am rocking in my school shoes. Then I drew my picture of myself. You're going to write in your journal, I am rocking in my school shoes, and draw a picture of yourself. Thumbs up if you understand. Excellent, and I'm excited to see your picture next time you join a live session. Have a great day. Once you're done drawing your picture, you can get on Lexia for about 20 minutes. Remember, when we do Lexia, we're working independently. That means we're working on our own. So go ahead, get on your Lexia and work on your own. If you have trouble, you're going to see the red apple in the corner, and that means you need to go back and choose a different game on Lexia. Good luck. See you later.